Well, today we have a a Family Dollar. Yeah, but acting kind of crazy. Let me see if I can turn this light on. Ah, yeah. Okay. See, the camera couldn't deal with the darkness, and it's got a little fuzzy wuzzy. But anyway, I think I got this from the dollar store. Not sure why I got it, but it's a what is it? Two boom, two boom. That's creative, right? It's a two boom uh, wireless streaming FM radio color changing light FX. Yeah, go figure. So um, let's see what's in this thing. Massive. Okay. Nah, it didn't seem like it, things keep changing and okay. So let me get a pen. Universal opener. Okay. All right. So there's two labels on the side for me to peel off. Eh. Uh, I understand any theft, but good gosh. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Ah, ah, ooh, this is ridiculous. Seriously. Okay. Maybe this was not completely open. Well, okay. See? Looky. Me pulley. Oh, shit. Me, oh, shoot. Wow, it is so tight. I don't know what made me expect to get anything. Okay, so we have we have here that looks like a type two. That don't look like a type two port. That looks like an ancient old the original type. We got a USB, we have a TF card, we have on and off.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, thank you. So let's me pair it. Where's my phone? Okay, let's grab the instructions or whatever it's worth. This is that is the adapter I thought it was. So this is the old charger, the old antiquated, nobody's used adapter anymore. I think that's USB type something. Let's see here. So what it does is say, and it's itty bitty manual it has. Itty bitty. Okay. When charging it, make sure you turn off the power. Yes. Who cares? Uh, Micro SD function. That I guess if you have music on an SD card. Uh, but hold on. You know something interesting? It doesn't. Are you joking? Are you serious? Oh, click the mode button for Bluetooth. Turn on your smartphone Bluetooth and search for Boom 2X BX16. Okay, so I had to find it. That's it's what you need to connect it. I know it's inverted, but I can't help it. So first thing we're going to do is let's see if we can hook that to Bluetooth. because I don't. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the Bluetooth and the dandy, and we're gonna go search for Bluetooth, and we're gonna Bluetooth, and we're gonna go searchy. Uh, okay, let's go turn it off. We turn it back on and see if we can find it. Yes, this button.
Radio mode. Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay. Okay, so it does show it down there as an option. Pair.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Thank you very much. Okay, so let's see if we can find something to listen to. Let's see.
I never have to worry about my love.
Let me stop before I get copyrighted. Okay, so we got that working, and there was a radio part. Pressed it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this one button seems to be a universal button. It doesn't have enough buttons to let you know what's going on. Uh, this M button here is for mode.
Radio mode.
The radio mode is just absolutely dumbfounding because it doesn't seem to. There's a mode. The radio will automatically. Next button. Radio's trash because I'm not getting anything on the radio button.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yeah, shut up.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Radio mode.
I don't know where it starts. I'm not
The
getting it.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay,
The
so
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
let's try this one more time.
Radio mode.
Radio mode is a short name for noisemaker. I'm going to go over this one more time to see if there's something I missed on the radio function. Search. Okay, so press the. Okay, so hold on. So if I press and hold this.
So
What? Okay. What?
White girl crying in the club vibe. Yeah,
If you
that's
press
fine.
and hold this button,
White girl crying. I like white girl. Yeah, I really want.
it changes the radio station, but it's gone. This is garbage.
I don't understand biography.
Okay, so
I don't get that.
this
But
will
anyway,
help you get
the
to a
content.
station, and then you can fine tune it
The
with this button.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Oh gosh, not that.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Radio mode.
A student friend day. Designed to equip children to think critically, engage purposefully, and
Okay, so once you put it into radio mode, this button here seeks it to the first available channel, and these buttons up here take you forward and backwards to whatever channel you need to go to. Uh, I think this was like $5 or $10. You can probably give it to a child and have fun with it. It's made out of a very cheap non-ABS plastic. It's too boom. And that's exactly what it needs to be called. To boom. Boom yourself into a trash can. Because this is about as cheap as you can probably get for a Bluetooth device. Again, I did the Bluetooth connected seamlessly with Bluetooth. Didn't have a whole lot of problems. The radio is a little funky. Too bad it doesn't have a display to tell you what radio station you're actually listening to, because it doesn't. And it's real funky, and it's exactly worth I paid for it. It was $10, I think. $10 junk. But probably great for the kids that want to play with it, and if they throw it upside a wall or break it or shatter it, no one really cares. But it does have some RGB lighting in the front here. It's very thin, cheap plastic. As you can see, there's only a few connectors in the front. It uses the old style connector. If you don't have one, you're not going to be able to charge it. I don't know why people are still using this connector. This is probably an old device they had in inventory trying to get rid of it. Yeah, so it is what it is. It is the Two Boom Bluetooth Family Dollar. No, not Family. I'm sorry. Dollars. This was actually the Dollar Tree that I got this from. Two Boom. So how would I rate this? Garbage. If you want to get it for your kids, just to have something to play with, and they want to listen to the music or whatever on their phones, use their phones as Bluetooth, cheap, fine. Would I recommend an adult to get this? Absolutely not. This is absolutely this is a kid's toy. This is not for adults, because adults will probably get too frustrated trying to figure out what radio station they're listening to, and have no idea what the radio station you're really looking for. And I'm assuming this is FM, but it doesn't tell you either. But anyway, buy it if you like. I wouldn't recommend it. I think it's garbage. I think my son was dying to get hold of this. He can have it, because I don't see any use for it other than it being a nice little trinket of cheap plastic. And I guarantee this is probably built in China. Yep. There we go. Right in the bottom. See that? Made in China. Manufactured by, what is that? M. Gear and International Group LLC in New York. But it was made in China. And trust me, it works like it was made in China. All right, folks. Until next time, this is Ron Take World. let me buy the product so you don't have to. This is not what I would consider anything worth anything other than that. A little trinket to play around with or get to the kids. Until next time, guys, you guys take care of yourself. I'm out of here.